If you follow this video, you will use all the CapCut Pro features for free. As you see here, I wanted to export, but I couldn't because I don't have the Pro version. Let's come back. Now you click Ctrl A, select all the clips, click to create compound clip. After that, click on pre-process compound clip. Now you will wait until it reaches 100%. Use this method after finishing all the changements or after you have done all the modifications. Now it is complete. Now click Windows R, click OK. Now go to Local, CapCut, User Data. After that you click on Projects. Then click on this file ending with draft. Now you are going to you have to look for your file name. You find it here. This is the name of your file. Click on the same name. Now you go to Resources. After that, Combination. Now stop right there, don't do nothing. This is your video ending with .mp4. This is your video, but don't do nothing. First you have to close CapCut. You have to close it completely. After that, reopen CapCut and reopen your project. Now bring your file ending with .mp4. Put it in CapCut. Then you wait for 10 seconds and put it above your previous video. Then click Replace. After that, you will be able to export your video normally. As you see here, we'll be able to export the video with all the Pro features for free. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for more